I know you see it. Thai mommy put me on this DIY shop. Hair trimmers to shave my beard. It's much cheaper than going to the barber shop. Digital hair clippers. Look at the price. $15. You go to Chinatown, it's gonna cost you way more than that. Now I ain't gonna lie, that's a good price though. $144. Rechargeable. No, I'm not gonna get that. Portable fans here, 122 watt. We getting the beach vibe today, you feel me? It's gonna be a beachy vibe today. The weather's not looking too good, but we're gonna figure it out. What we got here? Combs and brushes and stuff. You know I needed another one of these, so I threw mine away when I was traveling to Bangkok. I think maybe they'll take it from me, you know? So I just threw it away. This one? Which one is better, this one or that one?
I think this one can go inside. That one is like just a little outside. So what could I want to cut? Just outside?
Yeah, just because, you know, just to clean up the nail a bit.
This one.
But damn, should I buy this? I mean, it's so cheap. Might as well get it.
Yeah.
Get it. Throw it. What is this? when you go to the 99-cent store or whatever, yeah, I could bowl out in here. Matter of fact, I'm in a good mood. Get whatever you want. Oh shit. What the hell is that?
It's a bear.
It's a bear?
It's cat. It's cat. Can you see me? It's a cat, huh? It's a kitty.
Yeah, we not getting that. No. What's what? A bag? I don't need that. Oh damn, you know what? I did need some socks, so what's the quality of these socks? Yeah, I'm just skip on that. Get the socks here. Yeah, they got everything in here. They got every blood clotting in there. Beach next. Stay tuned, stay locked for that. If you haven't already, you know what to do. Because there's more on the way. I don't want you to miss out on the festivities for today, the vibes for today, you feel me? Trying to get some sunblock, yo. Damn, the price is more. Price is crazy. No, it was 189 baht. Now it's at 275, y'all. Blood clot liar. Face and body. This? Sunblock. Sunblock right here. We need some sunblock. Okay. Black people do get sunburn, believe it or not.
For teeth.
It's for what?
For teeth.
For titties. What? Oh, tester. Oh. Alright, you go cop some SPF 50. Can you open this? Look at my new addition to the family. My hung Thai mini.
No, it's not Hong Thai.
What is this?
It's Hanuman. It does
What is the
monkey.
difference?
Smell different.
Oh, I guess I want the monkey smell then. Rascalat. Just how I like it. Strong. But yeah. Watson vibe. Caught a little vibe at Watson. Caught a little vibe at the DIY shop. Now it's time to hit the beach. You hungry? I'm fucking starving.
Yeah, maybe we go there for eat.
On the beach?
Yeah, maybe. It's in the heaven.
Bumbaclat.
All you want to eat around here?
Shit. To be honest with you, I don't think there's nothing much to eat around here.
Maybe
We gotta cut through.
We
gotta cut through the soy, yeah. I'm kind of walking down the soy bomba clock. In 7 years, I haven't been to Koh Larn, but shit, we about to go to catch a vibe. Stay tuned for the madness. Stay tuned for the vibes. It's gonna be a lituation. feel me? So this costs 150 baht per person for speedboat tickets. So I literally got ripped off because I definitely paid maybe close to 1,000 baht the last time I was here for a speedboat. So yeah, there's that. Damn, there's a lot of people coming. Where they coming from? Koh Larn?
Yeah, they can come.
Everybody's coming from Koh Larn? I doubt that.
Yeah, just only the one way to go to Koh Larn.
Wait, this one thing goes to Koh Larn?
Yes.
But why before when I went it was not that many people?
Before they have a lot, they go to Koh Larn, they go to see the show, right? But now just only the Koh Larn, I think.
Only Koh Larn.
Yeah, couldn't have the big board over there, you see? The people just jump off on that. Some people just walk to take the big board. That cheap, like maybe 40 baht, but take like 1 hour. That's long.
Yeah, nobody got time for that.
Yeah.
What accent you want to hear me speak today? You'll have to. Don't tell me. Shorty gonna get me canceled, yo. She make me do an Indian accent. It's crazy.
That's what me sometimes say.
Don't tell me. Huh?
Sometimes you tell me like, you can change your accent.
Yeah, I can sound like you want me to sound like a Frenchman? I can sound like that. I can do every accent. This one sound like a yard man. Wagwan, baby. Everything cool? You sound like a British person.
Shut up.
I don't think it's quite nice you talk to me like that. I think you should tell Missy. Restaurant right here. Let's see what they got. Damn, the price is crazy here. Not you writing in Thai.
Yeah. Why not?
Yo, you see that?
I ordered a menu.
Look at the Thai roll. I don't know, y'all. I might go with the sea bass today. Because I'm on an island, you know, island vibe. Have to eat that fish. Shrimp.
Oh yeah, you're not eating it.
Damn, y'all. Red flag.
Sorry,
When the girls get a little moody when they're hungry, kind of a turn on. Alright, yo, so we are in this restaurant. Talking about the rent a motorbike into the island. Straight island vibes. You already done. You're done now. If you haven't already, do that good thing. It's tap that subscribe button. Well, I'm not you out. I'm not trying to joke you out. And you wanted a big bike? Crazy. Crazy, yo. To be honest with you, she look like one way to me. I don't know. Fucking. She look like one way, but.
Yeah, have some go that way.
Crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I need my phone. This camera's not doing me any good. I need a phone for this. I need a phone to see all this. I need a phone. I know y'all see it. Wait, don't go too deep. I got this camera in my head. What the fuck? I can't go that deep. I got this. See them island girls, bro. Them island girls love the water. One thing for sure, two things for certain. You can't tell me life is not good right now. I could do this forever. I literally been on vacay mode for the past 2 months. Bomba clot. She all the way out there. I ain't gonna lie, I'm trying to jump in this water and get a little swim on. I ain't gonna hold you. I need to get closer to her. But these beach girls, man, you gotta be careful because they're gonna drag you into the deep end. If you can't swim, you're gonna be dead. Yeah, this beach area is a vibe though. I'm not gonna hold you. It's a beach vibe here. The drinks was $220. The bike rental was $200 for the day. So you're looking like $420. Food came out to like 700 baht. So altogether right now I'm sitting at like 1100 baht, 1200 baht. So we're doing pretty good. Had two beers. Oh, okay. So I'm thinking like 1400 baht because I paid 200 baht for the chairs, to rent the chairs to sit down. So altogether like 1400 baht right now. We also paid, okay, so let me tally on that too. We paid 300 baht for 2 tickets to come here by speedboat. So I'm looking at around like 1700 baht so far, which is not that bad. And yeah, I mean shit, I'd pay that over and over again, chill with a bad brown.